Welcome to Financial and Investment Wisdom. I'll show you some brand new websites and programs that pay you to view online videos in this little video. Additionally, I'll show you exactly how I made my first $200, $300, or even $500 so you can follow along from wherever you are in the globe. Because this method is free, be sure to watch all the way to the end to learn about these 5 websites and apps that will help you increase your revenue. Keep in mind that you will earn more money if you use more apps. Let's get the video going. I'm going to start by introducing you to MyPoints.com, a service that lets you make money online just by viewing movies. Once more, this software is completely free to download from your Google Play Store or App Store, and yes, it is accessible everywhere in the world. Consider this. They've been around since 2012, which is a considerable amount of time. There are other ways to make money online, including contests, surveys, watching videos, and cashback, but in this video, we want to focus on the method that pays the fastest, best, and most: watching videos. Enter your email address here and select Sign Up to register. You can complete this on a computer or a mobile device, but I want you to pay close attention since I'll need to get into my account first to show you how. After that, you can give it a try. To start making money, all you need to do is simply leave the video playing in the background. I don't even have to watch the video. I can earn money passively by letting it run in the background. I simply leave the video playing while I go about my other tasks, allowing the player to run automatically in the background. As a result, the movie keeps playing while I sleep, go out, or do other things, so I continue to passively make money. The best aspect is that it's incredibly passive in the sense that I don't have to put any effort on my side to push play and watch a movie, which means that all of that money builds up pretty rapidly. You can download app Nana, the second app, to an iOS or Android device. You may do a variety of different things there, such as play games, complete surveys, view films, and use Nana's point system to get points. As you can see, earning Nanas can be converted into actual money that can then be used in a variety of methods, including as making purchases with PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, bank transfers, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies. To earn even more money, you may also enroll in their referral program. Simply click this link to sign up, and you'll be taken to a page where you can fill out all the necessary information. You can post the code on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and other websites if you'd like. It's really that simple. Simply pass this along to a friend to create a second revenue stream while you watch the videos on your own to create the first. Let's go on to the next website, MyPoints.com, which I like because you can sign up for a free account and receive a $10 welcome bonus. Who doesn't like that, really? Amazingly, they'll give you a $10 welcome bonus straight away without asking you to do anything. Now all you have to do is click the Join Now button, enter your email address, and set a password. You may use this app to earn money in a variety of ways, watching videos being one of them. If you follow me through to the finish, I'll show you the types of videos you should watch because they all pay you differently. Some of them pay you more than others, while others give you a smaller payment. Make sure to watch all the way to the end to find out which videos to concentrate on. Allow me to introduce you to Creation Rewards, the last app on our list. You might get $10 as an incentive for signing up. Once more, by utilizing this app, you can earn money and gift cards by watching movies. You also receive a sign-up bonus and $10 from them. But I want to make sure that you know that this software has been around since 2000, which is a very long period. For 18 years, they have given their members rewards. Again, there are other activities you can engage in, including paid surveys, video watching, website browsing, online buying, offer completion, and introducing friends and relatives. Personally, I prefer to watch videos and occasionally browse websites because they are all really simple to use even if you have never used them before. Just focus on viewing videos instead. You can wish to consider completing other offers related to browsing websites if you like it and want to make more extra money. One thing to remember is that when you sign in on your phone, the daily rewards are right here at the top and bring up a list of all the various big-name businesses that are all in one app. Make sure you click on that to receive your daily prize because they always give you a bonus of extra money when you log into your dashboard in the morning. Once again, make sure to log in daily to redeem your rewards because after doing so for a month, they will unlock additional movies for you to view, enabling you to earn even more bonus cash. And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up.